I just took off my face. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. If you're new here, my name's Ebony Pina and I post videos on the topic of beauty and entertainment, so if any of that interests you, subscribe right now. Before we get into the video, I just want to give a big thank you to all of my subscribers, to everyone that watches my videos, everyone that gives them a thumbs up, to everyone that comments. All of that counts. You guys mean a ton to me. And so with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this week's video. If it sounds like I'm like whispering or not talking like I normally do in other videos, it's because everyone's asleep and I'm the only weirdo that's awake right now. So I ordered from Amazon this, it's called Scar Skin, right? I think it was like $9. And so it was literally just this can thing and then this basically what I want to do to my face. So I want to give myself a nose job, lip fillers, maybe some like cheekbones. What else do people do? That's basically it. I don't know what else I could possibly do to my face other than my nose, my lips, and my cheekbones. It doesn't open. What the heck? Oh, it's because you twist it. My first instinct, smell it. So this is Scar Skin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start. I don't know if I should start maybe with my nose. So if you can tell, I have like a little bump. Or maybe it's, yeah, so I have a bump on my nose. And I mean, I personally, when I was younger, I really didn't like it, but as I've grown up, I embrace it now. But I mean, I wonder what I'd look like if my nose was just, you know, if I had a nose job. So yeah, we're gonna see. Okay, so this is the before. I'm gonna do a before and after, yeah. Wait, I need to say stuff. Did I really just crack it more? Oh no, that's just my dog's hair. Oh wait, no, I did crack it more. Okay, so I'm gonna get some of my Vaseline and I'm gonna put it on my fingers. And the Vaseline just helps so it doesn't stick to anything other than where you want it to stick. So Vaseline on my fingers because I don't want it to stick to my fingers, but no Vaseline on my nose because that's where it's gonna be sticking. I'm gonna put some on my spatula, Vaseline. So this is the little piece I got. It looks like a peanut. Okay. Now I'm gonna kind of start to flatten it. I just hope this doesn't make me break out. Like, that's a concern of mine. This is cool though. My nose is already looking straighter. I'm gonna return it back into the container. Is my face too close to the camera? Let me zoom it out. How do like Asian people make it look so smooth? Like, how long does it take them? So I got another piece and I'm gonna put it like right there because I feel like it's missing stuff right there. Get that button nose. So this is my nose. I kind of like struggled with like, I don't know, all of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and like make my lips bigger. How am I gonna shape the size? How am I gonna shape my lips? What am I doing? Because I don't know what I'm doing. I can't even talk. Oh my god. Can I just, oh, there are my lips. Why can't I just like do what I wanted to do? Imagine I accidentally swallow it, choke on it. You guys witness me die on camera. Maybe then I'll get 1 million views. Another piece and I'm gonna put it underneath. Oh my gosh. Ooh, we love how it's looking. I'm trying not to smile, but these are my lips. These are my lip fillers. I look amazing. Oh my gosh, I think I'm actually considering getting lip fillers now. I'm kidding. This is literally how some people look like with their lip fillers. feel like the cheekbone is doing nothing for my face. Like literally nothing. I need to make it bigger. That looks so weird. Oh my gosh, why did I put it all over there? I have my lips, I have my cheekbones, and I have my nose. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cover it up with concealer, and then the sponge, it's dirty and I don't care. Oh my gosh, I really just ruined it. This wasn't a good idea. I didn't think this through. My lips are so big, I cannot get that part. This is so bad. So I have my foundation, and then I have another dirty beauty sponge, but I don't care. But I did put on primer just so that I don't get acne, which I probably am gonna get because of the poor decisions I'm making right now. My lips are falling off. Oh my god, this looks so bad. Oh my, I can't even laugh. This is okay. This is horrible. Why isn't this working? Exquisite. I'm gonna just fix the wax a little bit. Okay, not gonna lie, I think out of all of this, my nose is the most realistic part. It is. I think it is. Now we're gonna put on some lip gloss. Okay, this is not working. I'm gonna put on some lipstick. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on this like red-orange lipstick I have. The fact that I'm putting it on and I can't even feel it says a lot. I can't look at myself. This is not okay. Oh my god. And this color does not make it any better. Okay, I'm putting the lip gloss on top. Hold on. I feel like a model. Okay. This is not. And I really want to laugh. I really want to laugh. But if I laugh, my lips will fall off. This worries me. Some blush. Oh my gosh. Alright, we're going full clown. I'll be right back. Gonna just help define my new cheekbones. And then my new nose, obviously. Have to be super snatched. My jawline. Okay. Oh. Okay. And then another dirty makeup sponge. Oh my gosh, what the heck? I got lipstick on my nose. This is, oh my gosh, where did I put blush? Oh yeah, my cheek. Where is my cheek? I think this is my cheek. Oh my gosh, ew. Ta-da. Oh wow, that was horrible. Oh, that was a bad idea. Okay, cover it back up with some concealer. Maybe I can fix this. Oh, there's no fixing this, honey. There is no fixing this. Glazed donut it is. Clown it is. My highlight broke. How fun. Okay. It actually broke. Okay. My face looks unique. I look unique. I'm one of a kind. Don't I just look so natural? This is the definition of beauty. Comment down below if you date me like this. I date me like this. I would want my kids to look like this. I look like a 2020 version of Michael Jackson. Oh my gosh, I actually do. Wait. Wait. Did he have short hair? I think the only thing I'm missing are some fake eyelashes. Maybe some fake boobs. Should I like make my... From what I see, my nose is actually pretty good. And then my lips, super big. I should take a picture. Wow, that is so bad. Oh my gosh, ew. Why'd you guys tell me I look like that? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got to the end of the video, if you got to this point, thank you so much for watching and sticking around and seeing me turn myself into a complete clown and a Barbie and a botched doll. I don't know what I look like. I don't know. Comment down below what you think I look like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, obviously give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in seeing more stuff like this where I'm just trying things out and just doing a bunch of weird stuff, then subscribe to my channel. I do post videos on the topic of beauty and also post videos on topic of entertainment, so if any of that interests you, then subscribe right now. Turn on my post notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Come back every Wednesday, because every Wednesday I do have a new video posted just for you guys. Join the Pina family. This is... Wait, don't join my family, but join my YouTube family. Okay, I want to take this off. Oh my god. I can smile. You guys can see my teeth. Throughout this whole video, you guys didn't know what my teeth look like. I like really like this shape, and I'm gonna be disappointed. My thing's gonna like go in. Oh, there's my bump. So if you guys are looking for wax that is like good and affordable, I got mine off of Amazon. I'll obviously have it linked down below. Click on that link and buy that wax if you want a wax that works and that is inexpensive. This one worked amazing. Yeah, I need lip filler. No, I'm kidding. I just took off my face. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face and go to bed before it's 2 in the morning, which it probably already is. And then I'll see you guys next Wednesday. Turn on my post notifications. Like this video, subscribe. Okay, bye.